See this dark spot here? That indicates mold. We have to reject this one. The coconuts come in here, get separated by weight, and then move to the husking station. And this is where we monitor the speed. So this screen here shows the different washing stages. We start with the high pressure rinse.
And this indicator confirms the water temperature.
We maintain this rhythm: spike, twist, and pull. This ensures maximum efficiency while keeping hands clear of the sharp edges.
This is the correct standard, perfectly white.
And anything with discoloration must be rejected immediately.
The particle size here seems correct.
Yes, but we need to ensure the machine maintains this consistency for the whole batch.
Keep it rotating until the timer hits 0. That should be enough time.
Are you sure?
Yes, the display confirms it. So the milk flows from here into the centrifuge. See the pressure gauge?
And this valve controls the flow rate, correct?
Exactly.
As you can see, the pulp is carried on the lower belt while the fresh milk is collected in this vat. This
coconut milk enters here for the initial heating phase.
We must ensure the temperature holds steady at this critical control point before cooling.
The fill accuracy seems slightly off on this batch.
Yes, I noticed the gauge fluctuating. We should adjust the calibration by 2 points. Good idea. That should stabilize the flow rate.
The primary indicator of integrity is the vacuum seal at the apex. A firm tap confirms it.
Any deviation in the husk density and it fails quality control. Place the first one tight in the corner.
Oh.
See how these interlock?
Yes, that maximizes the space.
Exactly. It prevents shifting.
They come down this line here, then straight to the wrapper.
And the sorting happens right here before it?
Yes, that keeps the flow steady.
Everything seems secure here. I'm finalizing the check.
The count is accurate according to the clipboard.
All right, let's proceed to the next section.
We rotate the older stock in a circular motion, like this, to ensure proper ventilation.
So we rotate clockwise every 3 days?
Exactly, that keeps them fresh.
Okay, stack it high on the left side first. We need to maximize the space.
We need this shipment cleared now. Count looks good here.
All right, bring the next pallet forward. The flow moves directly from processing to distribution like this.
That cover the entire southeast region.
Exactly, it cuts transit time by 10%.
Yeah.
optimizing the husking process as shown here, we've achieved a 20% increase in overall efficiency and significantly reduced waste.
Ensure the quality is consistent on this pallet.
We need this shipment ready by noon.
Yes, I'm loading them now.
We process thousands of coconuts every single day.
This facility is the largest in the region.
The yield projections on the Mindanao sector are down by 4.2%.
Reroute the shipment from Jakarta to cover the deficit.
Sensor. The robotic arm sorts them here, and the red light indicates the quality control sensor.
And this mechanism feeds directly into
Slow down the line, we have a blockage on the left.
Copy that, diverting the flow now. All right, bring it over here. Stack it right next to the others. Once the husk turns completely brown and dry like this, it is ready for the market.
Easy.
Yeah.
So this green one still need time.
That is correct.
Heavy one. Put it on the top layer. Okay, this truck is almost full. Let's close it up.